Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to pin a post on your Facebook profile. Pinning a post is a great way to highlight important updates, announcements, or anything you want visitors to see first when they visit your profile. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or name at the top of the app. Next, scroll through your posts and find the one you'd like to pin. This could be anything, a special announcement, a favorite photo, or an important message you want to showcase. Once you've located the post, look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of that post. Tap on these dots to open a menu of options. From the menu that appears, select Pin Post. And just like that, your chosen post will be pinned to the top of your profile. You'll notice a small pin icon next to it, indicating that it's now prominently displayed for anyone visiting your page. That's all there is to it. Pinning a post ensures it stays at the top of your profile for maximum visibility. If you ever want to unpin it, simply follow the same steps and choose Unpin Post from the menu. Thanks for tuning in. Now go ahead and try it out yourself. Highlight what matters most on your Facebook profile.